In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel money on Sendwave. If you sent money by mistake or need to stop a transfer, timing is everything. So let's walk through how to contact Sendwave support from inside the app and request a cancellation. Start by opening your Sendwave app and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. Look for the small question mark help icon, usually in a corner of the screen. That icon takes you to Sendwave support options. Tap the question mark, then choose how you want to reach them. If you prefer messaging, select chat with us to start a conversation right in the app. If your situation is urgent, you can also choose call us to speak with an agent directly from your phone. When you connect with support, clearly describe your request. You can type something like, "Hi, I'd like to cancel a transaction I just made. Here are the details." Be ready to include the essentials: the date of the transaction, the amount you sent, the recipient's name, and the transaction reference number if you have it. The more precise you are, the faster they can locate the transfer. If it helps, mention the destination country and currency as well. Submit your message and keep the chat open while you wait for a response. Agents typically reply quickly, but response times can vary. If you called, stay on the line until the agent confirms they've found the transfer. A quick note on timing: cancellations are only possible if the funds haven't been paid out or deposited yet. That's why contacting support immediately is key. If you realize the mistake a few minutes after sending, don't wait. Open the chat or place the call right away. If you prefer email, you can also reach their support team using the address listed in the app or on the official website. Include the same transaction details and your best contact information so they can follow up without delays. That's it. Open the app, tap the help icon, choose chat or call, provide the transaction details, and submit your request. Act quickly, keep your notifications on, and watch for confirmation from Sendwave that the cancellation was successful, or learn about next steps if the transfer has already been collected. If support needs to verify it's you, have your ID details ready in the app to keep your account secure. When a cancellation is approved, refunds typically return to your original payment method.